Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson, Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a short neck break or a shoulder sway. Now, technically they're not quite the same move, but they very much have a lot in common. So we're going to break it down, and obviously in your expertise already, you want to know how to do a neck break and you want to know how to do a sway. Two core intermediate moves. If you've got those under your belt, you're ready. Links in the description below. So, short neck break looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You could do a count faster on the exit if you wanted to. Now I'm also going to show you the shoulder sway, because the shoulder sway looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and you'll suddenly go, they're practically the same thing, and you'd be dead right. So sometimes you'll see moves called a shoulder sway that maybe should have been called a neck break, and sometimes you'll see things that could have been called a neck break being called a shoulder sway. There's not a lot in it. So what do we need to know? Let's break it down. Initially we'll look at the short neck break. So we start in the left hand. It starts exactly the same as a neck break. We go semicircle back, big strong signal, we come in, we twist the lady out, we transfer the hand, we might off the other hand, we might not, depends on which variation we're doing, and then we just bring the lady a little bit round the corner, but not very much, and then it feels an awful lot like a sway with the hand higher up, because the neck break big turn doesn't happen. We send the lady away gently, take the hand off the shoulder, we just bring the hand down and come to face, and then it's a right-handed return and we are done. Timing wise, that looks like this. It goes back 1 with the signal, inside by side 2, twist out transfer 3, little wrap 4, send the lady 5, facing 6, that's the slow timing. You can get to there by 5 by just accelerating that last little bit together. Then it's returning 7 and back 8. So let's do that one together. Here we go. 5, 6, a short neck break. We go signal, in, transfer, prep, moving away, and face, return, and back. Now let's talk shoulder sway. We'll do it from the other side. So shoulder sway, instead of starting in the left hand, starts in the right hand, and now it feels very much like standard sway technique. So we go semicircle back, guys a little bit out of line to the left. It looks like you're going to wrap to a sway, except you bring the hand up higher and end up on the shoulder. Again, ladies would offer their spare hand, you take it or not as the case may be, depending upon the variation. We sway the lady back, we sway the lady forwards, and just like a sway, choice of timings on the way out, fast or slow. We're going to do the slow one, so we send the lady away and face, return, and back. So back to this side, and we'll think numbers. That's semicircle back 1, bringing the lady in 2, twisting out 3, forward 4, send the lady 5, facing 6, returning 7, and back 8. And I bet you've noticed it's also the same timing as the short neck break, so really very similar. So let's do it. 5, 6, a shoulder sway. We go a back, wrap, sway, sway, away and look, return and back. And remember, you can do the faster exits that you would learn in a sway as well. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to, and we'll see you next time.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.